Hello, fellow traders. It's Nutty Bar. It's time to do the recap. And let's just dive right in. This should not take long. As you can see, we did end the day green. And this was a little bit of a different day. So this morning, I cheated this morning. Late last night, I got a message and I got an invite to a golf outing this morning that I just couldn't say no. It was just too good of an opportunity. So I cheated this morning, and we went golfing. We went golfing this morning, had a great time, and we didn't start streaming until about 1:30. So somewhere in here is where we started streaming after the market had already made some crazy move higher. This is a pretty crazy day. We were at the 400s this morning, and we almost made it to the 800s. There's still time. We might still make it to the 800s. Who knows? But yeah, it was pretty rough to watch this. It just kept going higher, kept going higher. And here I got a little case of the FOMO. I entered this on a FOMO trade. I only did it on 2 micros with the intent to add a contract if we do pull back. I did take one off here, and then I did add one here, and then we got stopped out. So it ended up being like a $50 loss. So it wasn't a big loss, and I'm not that disappointed by the trade or upset about the trade. I didn't necessarily follow my rules here. But to be quite honest, if I would have followed my rules, I would have gotten stopped out anyway, as well. So either way, I would have gotten stopped out. Results would have probably been similar. Anyway, I'm happy that I took my stop and I took my loss and we moved on. And then we had a pretty big move lower to the 710s. Once we failed to make new lows on this move here, I just had an order sitting at the 724s for a long, got filled, and had a nice trade here. And we had a nice pullback here, and again just a scalp trade right here. And that is how we ended the day. $90 some in profit per account. And yeah, then we called it a day, and now we're walking away. And yeah, not a huge day, but we will take it, and hopefully we can just slowly build these accounts back up. We did quite a bit of damage to these accounts last week, I think it was. So we got our work cut out for us. We got our work cut out for us on these accounts. And I like to see I like to see me. I don't know why I always say we and us, but you know what I mean. But I'd like to see myself have some little bigger green days. Yeah, hopefully we can do that. But yeah, at the rate we're going, this is going to take until about November of next year to get a payout if we continue at this pace. So I am hoping to get a little bigger profit days in, but at the same time, I don't want to press it. Take my time, and I guess what happens, happens. So anyway, that's pretty much it. That's all I got for today's recap. We'll be back streaming tomorrow morning. And take care, everyone, and God bless.